we will learn how to update the information of faculty and updating the course information appearing on our web page. So let us go to the manage.edux.co. So let us log in. I'm just logging it, and then we can proceed to this platform. We can change so many things, general setting, micro setting and all, and but there are something limitations which cannot be changed. So let us go to LMS platform. We see this is the appearance of our site. We can change this line, welcome to the mass learning and online MOOCs, and then let us proceed to introduction to metric spaces, the course we have developed in this lecture series. So we see there are many information about short introduction, detailed introduction, requirement for registration and all we can write, and then we can upload the picture of staffs and all and their affiliation and all, and then at the bottom in the footer we can see some logo is appearing, so that can be managed as well. So to change that thing we need to proceed for a studio platform. So here is the courses. So this is the studio home, and we need to select the course for which we want to change the appearance and all faculty information like this. So let us go to the introduction to metric spaces. Of course this course has been created on this platform only. So we can see there are some chapters appearing, chapter 1 and chapter 2, and then go to the link just below the start date. So once we click over there we will be redirected to another page. So we see that every setting is there already, course start date, start timing and all. Then we see that introduction to metric spaces, about this course something is written over there, information what we can update or change. So we can see simultaneously the changes occurring in that page, and then we just scroll down below. So here we see that course overview is there. So there is a requirement, add information, what is the requirement for the course. So we can write whatever we wish as per the requirement of this course. So just a student are supposed to know the basic mathematics and all, whatever you feel like you can change, and then don't forget to save changes. And just when every time when we are changing something in this, so we need to save the changes. Actually this course overview changing can be done through HTML codes. So one has to know that a little bit HTML code, all HTML code will work there. The link here we see at line number 18. This is for link for uploading picture, placing picture of faculty. So I'm updating the information. This is the first faculty name I changed to Dr. Rajesh Singh, and then department or some brief of his affiliation and all we can write over there. And then similarly we can go to, we can add another member and all. So to upload picture, let us first go to upload platform, and then we upload these two pictures, and then just click on studio to copy the link and then go back, and we will this link we will posting over there just like this. Just copy and paste here, line number 27. So it's all done. Similarly for the second or third faculty member we can update. So link is the same, similar link, but only changes that extension. So there was RAS, there is VKT. So this is the file name only. So next, frequently asked question, we can edit what is the duration of course, or whatever you feel like the question, what is the necessary, we can write over there, and then answer we can also write. This is 6 months I am writing here, 6 months. So, and if we want give more information and more want answer some more question over here, so we can just copy and paste and then edit the same thing, just like that. What is the duration of course last time we have written, and in the next line we can write something else. What is the qualification for registration? So here, overall this will be updated on the front page of your website, MOOC course website of Edunix. And this website or first page should reflect something concrete. What is the qualification of a student should be having to register for this course, if there is any fee, or what is the duration, and what is the timing of the class and all. Student can learn with their speed or with their own speed, or this will be managed by the faculty members and all. So like this we can write over there, many information we can put over here. So another question I'm writing here, is there any fee for this course? So if there is any, then yes, otherwise no. So a brief answer is required only over here. So all we done. So let us save the changes, and then after refreshing this course, this thing is appearing. So a picture of another faculty, Dr. Rajesh Singh, is not appearing, so we need to refresh that one. So sometimes it takes 2 to 3 minutes to update, so don't worry, if you are changing over there, it may not appear immediately. So we need to wait, and we need to refresh 2 or 3 times in that case. So it is, everything is what we have made change over there, it is appearing here. Frequently asked question, what is the duration of course, 6 months, and every question is answered here. So now we can change this link and this information also. So we need to go that place, that is course overview. So just scroll down. So we have something, see our something like this. So I'm writing here some information more. If you wish, we can give some information, otherwise we can select and delete these things. So for more information, I'm writing something and I will give a link. So this is basically HTML code for learning some basic thing about HTML code. One can refer to www.w3school.com. So from there some basic information one can get. So for more information, contact Dr. Rajesh Singh and Dr. Virendra, and then I will be changing this. So the link I have changed here. So click here. So when we save the changes and refresh that page, LMS page, so we will see that these changes will be appearing over there. There will be appearing a link on click here. So let us see what is the change reflecting over there. So here, because for more info, everything is here. So on click here there is a link. If we click over there, it will redirect. So there is a way, this is opening in the same page, same tab. So if you want it to open in another tab, you can edit some code over there using HTML. Anyway, so this is what we have changed so far. So what we see that this content about the course is not justifying. So there is a code align equals to justifying. So now we see that using this command, this is looking just like justifying and all. So now